Hello guys. Ayan. Happy Araw ng Kagitingan. Araw ng Kagitingan, also known as Day of Valor, is a national holiday in the Philippines observed every April 9. It honors the bravery and heroism of Filipino and American soldiers during the World War II, particularly those who fought in the Battle of Bataan in 1942. So what are the key facts here? Okay, we have commemorates the fall of Bataan to Japanese forces on April 9, 1942. It also honors the soldiers who enjoyed the infamous Bataan Death March, where thousands of Filipino and American prisoners of war were forced to march around 65 miles under brutal conditions, leading to thousands of deaths. Purpose: it's a time to remember the sacrifices made for freedom and to inspire patriotism and courage among Filipinos. Although the day marks a military defeat, it highlights the valor, the kagitingan guys, of the soldiers who fought despite overwhelming odds. Okay, how Araw ng Kagitingan is commemorated? We have wreath-laying ceremonies held at the Mount Samat National Shrine, also known as the Dambana ng Kagitingan in Pilar, Bataan. This is attended by top government officials, military personnel, and sometimes foreign dignitaries, especially from the US. Then, military honors. So there would be parades, flag-raising ceremonies, and salutes to veterans and fallen soldiers. The Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, often lead these tributes. We also have veteran recognition. Tributes and awards are given to surviving World War II veterans. Stories of bravery are shared to educate the younger generations. We also have public programs and documentaries like schools, local governments, and media outlets present shows or educational programs highlighting the history and importance of the Battle of Bataan. Okay, why is it still matters today? Reminder. First is reminder of sacrifice. It reminds Filipinos of the courage and unity shown during one of the darkest times in Philippine history. Number 2, national identity. It reinforces the importance of patriotism, resilience, and the love of country. Third is education for the youth. It helps younger generations understand the cause of freedom and the importance of standing up for what is right. And lastly, strengthening alliances. It also highlights the strong historical ties between the Philippines and the United States. Then I have here a tula guys from ChatGPT. Sa lilim ng Bataan. Isang tula para sa araw ng kagitingan. Sa lilim ng bundok, sa burol ng Bataan, dugoy ibinuhos, dangal ay ipinaglaban. Laban sa dilim ng dayuhang dahas, tumindig ang bayan, matatag ang lakas. Hindi alintana ang gutom at uhaw, sa mata ng sundalo, apoy ay tanaw. Tangan ang dangal kahit buhay ay alay, para sa inang bayan sa lupang mahalay. Ang yapak ng marcha, bakas ng sakripisyo, sa kalsadang mainit, sa puso'y panindigan buo. Bawat hakbang, isang panat at dasal, na sana'y makamit ang bukas na mapayapat banal. Ngunit kahit pagkatalo ang naging wakas, tagumpay pa rin ang tapang na wagas. Sa puso ng lahi, bayani hindi limot, ang alaala nila'y sa kasaysayan ay sagot. Ngayoy ginugunita araw ng kagitingan, sa puso ng bawat Pilipino'y nagningning ang yaman. Yamang di nasusukat sa ginto o sa lapi, kundi sa dugong Pilipinong handang mag-alay kahit muli. Ayan guys, thank you very much po for watching, and sana po nagustuhan po ninyo yung ating information drive about araw ng Kagitingan. Sana po meron po kayong napulot ng mga asal, mga aral dito sa ating presentasyon kung bakit naging holiday po ngayong araw na to, April 9, 2025. Ito po ay dahil sa katapangan na ipinakita ng mga sundalong Pilipino at saka mga Amerikano na lumaban sa mga Hapones. Ayan. Thank you very much guys. Always remember, learning is lifetime. Sana mag-feedback kayo. Shoutout sa mga guys, sa Bibitlog family. Shoutout sa mga bago nating subscribers na nakilala natin sa Shocon Plaza. Ayan. Sana bisita kayo dito sa channel natin. Ayan guys, maraming salamat and bye-bye.